out of Kirkwood, Missouri. That's 99766B. And their alliance partner is team number 69955A, the Lemon Keys out of St. Louis, Missouri. Are we ready in red? Ready in the blue? Then let's get this match underway. 3, 2, 1, autonomous. Blue is the first one to the goal. So holy smokes, turning on the gas is TAE into the back goal, scoring a pile of blocks. Oh no, blue crosses over, red crosses over as well. It is a double violation. Nobody's got the autonomous driver control now. In 3, 2, 1.
Please be aware of changing conditions that may continue to develop. If conditions worsen, further instructions will be provided at that time.
A minute 45 seconds of driver control is not very long on the front side. Blue has that sweet spot of control. Red takes over the center goal right now. TAE currently on the far side, going to the match loader, collecting blocks. Both Red Alliance robots are loaded up with the red blocks. Aliens find the center goal. It's quickly changed back to red. Center lower goal. 52994A trying to switch it up for the red. They collect a few blocks that are sprinkled around the ground. And now it's a push battle between red versus blue. Who's going to get control of that lower goal? Down to the final 25 seconds in the match. Red takes control of the far side goal and protecting it against the aliens. Red sitting pretty. They've just got to fend off the blue for a few more seconds, but things happen so quick in the pushback matches. 3, 2, and